Hi, I'm Darlene and welcome to Super at 60. Today is all about the potato. I'll be making you a delicious potato side dish called bacon and cheese stuffed potatoes. Yeah, they're really special. You can serve this at your fanciest parties, or you can serve it on a Tuesday night dinner with a hot dog. It is up to you. Any way you want to do it, it is absolutely delicious. Today's video is in collaboration with 3 other channels. And those channels are Cookin' in the County, The Art of Creation Homestead, and Leslie over at The Farming Pastor's Wife. All 3 wonderful channels. I can't wait to see what creative and delicious potato dishes they have made today to make this Potato Day extra special. All right, I'm getting ready to go back in my kitchen and get our potato dish ready. Come and join me. We're gonna have a good time. My potatoes have been peeled and they have been cut up and they have been boiled and they're nice and soft now, and they've cooled down just enough where I can get my hands in there. Yep, I'm putting my hands in. I'm just using a good old Idaho spud today. You can use any kind of potato if you like a Yukon Gold. If you like the red skin potatoes, though, I think those are my favorite. And I could have used those today. I would absolutely peel them first. I know for me, that's sometimes tempting not to peel the red skin potatoes. I like to just smash them up and just eat them skins and all. But for this particular dish, I would indeed peel them first. So let's go ahead and get smashing. You don't need to use a mixer or anything for this. We're not adding any cream or milk, or butter, or anything like that. Just get them really nice as you can. Right. I'm not afraid to wipe these off with my hands. My hands are nice and clean, I promise. And I'm gonna go ahead and get right in there with my hands because I have to form these potatoes into patties, like hamburger patties, salmon patties, tuna patties. Yep, just like that. So here we go. We're just gonna squish them up. Oh, this is so much fun. Hey, you can get your kids in here and have a blast. All right, I think what we'll do is give it a little salt and pepper first. Potatoes need a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not too much. I did salt the water. I always salt my water a little bit. It helps to bring it up to a boil a little bit faster. We are going to add about, let's say about 2 ounces of cheese right into the potatoes. Yep, that looks about right. Now I'm using a mild cheddar today. If you wanted to use mozzarella, you could. If you wanted to use any other kind of cheese that you really just love, you can. It's very customizable. And now we're going to add some breadcrumbs, just your regular plain breadcrumbs, or if you want to use Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, that's fine too. Oh, I don't know, a couple tablespoons. Save a few of them because we'll need them for the top a little bit later. And you can add fresh parsley to this if you like, or I don't have that today, so I'm going to use Italian seasoning. And this is the way I generally make them anyway. I rarely, except for in the summer when I have a nice garden going, do I ever have, oh, it smells so good. Stay on subject, darling, stay on subject. I rarely have fresh herbs except in the summer. So, all right, the next thing I'm gonna add, this is already some cooked and chopped up bacon that I made the other night, and there's a little bit of green pepper in there too. You do not have to add the green pepper. But how bad is green pepper with bacon? It's so delicious, and cheese, and potatoes. You can't go wrong. All right, just a good little sprinkling of them. You don't have to load it up. All right, here we go. We're going in. Very good. This looks absolutely delicious. Smells so good. So what we're gonna do now is start forming the patties, okay? You don't want them giant, but you don't want them too small either, because everybody loves potatoes. About the size of a hamburger patty that you would form to go put out on your barbecue grill. Kind of like that, about a little bit bigger than the palm of your hand. Set that over here. I have a tray over here with parchment paper on it, all ready to go. Make as many as I can of these. Don't be stingy. All right, oh, the smell is, I just can't even tell you how beautiful they smell. Wonderful, so fresh, you know, a nice fresh potato. Okay, here are my patties. I've done 2 of them for you. See the little wells I made, the little holes? We'll go and do this one. The potato will tend to want to split a little bit, but just keep forming it together. It's nice and soft, kind of like Play-Doh. Just make that nice little hole. If you don't have one of these mortar and pestle things like this, which is so wonderful for this, if you have like a little shot glass or something, I think I saw that done somewhere once a while ago. It's about this size, you know, just to make, just like a donut hole type size. I think you could use just about anything. And then the last one here, in it goes. Just start to form any cracks that start. Just clean them up nice, just like that. You don't have to go all the way through and to the bottom. You're not making donuts. Try to remind yourself of that when you're making the little hole in there, the little nest. And here we have those sweet little nests, the little potato nests, aren't they, darling? Yeah, they're so cute. All right, and now we're gonna take a little bit of those breadcrumbs and just sprinkle all around each one. I know we have some inside, but we're gonna spread some on the outside too, so they get nice and crunchy. Here we go with the rest of our cheese, or at least some of it. I'm not sure we're gonna use all of this, but a good part of it. Make sure it goes way down in there. The good stuff. These are going into a 350 oven for, I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes. Alrighty, they're ready to go, and the oven, I need to check on that again, make sure it's ready. I'm gonna take just a little bit of olive oil and drizzle it right over the top. It really helps to make those breadcrumbs nice and crunchy, crispy. Not too much. You don't want them drowning in olive oil, but just a tad, just like that. Oh, they are absolutely beautiful. Isn't this exciting? I'm gonna slip them right into my center oven rack. There they go. 5 potatoes, we'll see in just a few. Look what just came out of the oven. Is that not just gorgeous? Look at that beautiful melted cheese in the middle. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We like to serve it up with just a little bit of sour cream. You can try ketchup if you like. Anything you like your potatoes with. Oh, I'm so glad you came today. Look at that. Just look at that. It goes on forever and ever and ever. That is some yummy potato dish. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Can I actually put it in my mouth? It's a little hot at the moment. Hang on. I know that's what you're waiting for. I know, because it's what I'm waiting for. I've been waiting all afternoon for this. I absolutely love this dish. So today we made bacon and cheese stuffed potatoes. Yeah, they look a little bit like a donut, don't they? They're really good. I love donuts too. We'll have to make them sometime. Yeah, all right, here we go. Oh, you guys. If you love potatoes, seriously. Are you serious? Oh, bacon and cheese. Come on, you know you want a bite. I know you do. Make sure you serve it with anything you like potatoes with. Oh my goodness, is that good? Yummy. All right. Well, this has been one heck of a day. I can't thank you enough for joining me here on Super at 60. I had a great day in my kitchen today. We always have a good time here. And for those of you who are here, perhaps visiting from some of the other channels, I am just thrilled that you came over and joined me in my kitchen this afternoon. I had a great time. I hope you did as well. And I hope more than anything that you'll try out this incredible potato dish. Absolutely delicious. So please consider subscribing to my channel. You know, just press the like button if you liked it, and press the subscribe if you'd like to subscribe and see more, and press the little bell so that you always get my newest and latest uploads. Thank you again, and Lord bless you all. Bye now.